Welcome student. Today we will learn about Pythagorean relationship, where we can use this Pythagorean relationship and where it is applicable. So let's see what is Pythagorean relationship. Pythagorean relationship is applicable to a triangle which is a right angle triangle, and you will see this sign, this small square which tell you that this angle is 90 degree. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. Pythagorean relationship is applicable to only right angle triangle. If it is not a right angle triangle, you cannot use Pythagorean relationship. Remember this. This is very important because in higher classes, when you use trigonometry, you have to use this concept again. We have three sides here. The longest side, which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, is hypotenuse, the longest side. And these two are the smaller side. One side we can call it the height, one we call it as a base. For example, height is A, base is B, hypotenuse is C. According to Pythagoras, the mathematician, he said that the square of the longest side, means hypotenuse square, is equals to the sum of the square of the two smaller sides. So that means hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Or if this is A, this is B, and this is C, we can write C square equals to A square plus B square. Remember, only if it is right angle triangle. If it is not right angle triangle, we cannot use it. Let's see what's the meaning of the Pythagorean relation in terms of. So this is a right angle triangle. So we will use this Pythagorean relationship in this triangle, where two smaller sides are 3 and 4 centimeter, and the longest side, which is hypotenuse, is 5 centimeter. So according to the Pythagorean relationship, C square, the longest side square, is equal to the sum of the square of the two smaller sides. C here is 5 centimeters. So what do we do? Write 5 and square it. A here is 3. So write 3 square plus B is 4. So you write 4 square. Now square it and see both sides are equal or not. 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So left hand side is 25. Add these two, 9 plus 16 is 25. Both sides are equal. See, if it is a right angle triangle, the square of smaller two sides is equals to the square of the longest side, means the hypotenuse side. If it is not a right angle triangle, or if you want to prove whether the given triangle is a right angle triangle or not, what we can use? We use Pythagoras relationship. In this case, both sides are equal, so this is a right angle triangle. So let's see this triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle. So this square shows that this is a 90-degree angle. Because this is a right angle triangle, so Pythagorean theorem or Pythagorean relationship is applicable here. Here two smaller sides are given, A and B. A is 6 centimeter, B is 8 centimeter. We have to find the longest side. So write the relationship C square is equals to A square plus B square. Now we don't know what is C. So write C square as it is. A given here 6, square it. B given 8, square it. Now C square is 6 square. 6 times 6 is 36. 8 square. 8 times 8 is 64. So write 64. Now C square we don't know, write as it is. 36 and 64 is 100. Now C square is 100, but we are not looking for C square. We are looking for C. Important thing, when you remove a square from one side, you get square root on other side. So C, remove the square here, you get square root on the other side. So find the square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So C is 10 and the unit is centimeter. So this way, if two sides of a right angle triangle is given, we can find the third side. But important thing is the triangle should be right angle triangle. Let's see this question. Here, longest side is given, one of the smaller side is given, and this triangle is given. This is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. Now we have to find one of the smaller side. So write the relationship c square equals to a square plus b square. C is given here, so write 13 square. A is not given, write a square plus b is given 12, so write 12 square. 13 square is 169 equals to a square plus 12 square is 144. Now we have to rearrange for a square first and then we will find a. So what do? We want to find a square. We don't need 144 here. So how we rearrange? So take 144 away from the right hand side. So subtract 144 from both sides. So 169, whatever we do on one side, we have to do same on the other side. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 144 from both sides. So subtract 144 from both sides. So 144 minus 144 is 0. So what do we get here? 169 minus 144 is 25 is equals to a square. This is 0 now. Right? Or you can write a square is 25. We are looking for a, not a square. So what do we have to do? Remove the square from one side. When you remove square from one side, you get square root on the other side. So a will be equals to square root of 25, which is equals to 5. Unit is centimeter. So this is how we find if a bigger side and one smaller side is given and we are looking for one of the smaller side. So using Pythagorean relationship, if it is a right angle triangle, we can find the unknown side. The thing is, two other sides should be given. Let's say a triangle, right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. And each side is connected with a square. So side A is connected with this A square. Side B is connected with square B. Side C is connected with square C. For example, if area of this is given 144. So we know the square have all four sides equal. So all sides are same. So we have to find what is the side length of A. So area A is given 144. To find side A, this is 144 centimeter square. So to find A, what we will do? We square root 144. So what you will get? A is equals to 12. And unit is centimeter. So this will be 12 centimeter. Double check. This is 144. This is a square. All sides are equal. And the formula to find area is length times width because all sides are equal. So 12 times 12 is 144. So what is A? A is 12 centimeter. B, this smaller is 25. This is 25 centimeter square. I'll write centimeter square here. And this is 169 centimeter square. So to find B, so area is given 25. This time this is 25. So both sides are same. So to find the length of side B, what we will do? We will square root 25, which is equals to 5, and unit is centimeter. Same, this area is given 169. To find side C, what we will do? We will square root 169. The square root of 169 is 13 centimeter. This way, if area of the squares are given, we can square root the area to find the side length. And if side length is given, we can find the area by squaring it. So there's a relationship. Square, you get area. Square it, you get side. Let's see the last question here. It's a similar type of question. Instead of area given in the last question, this time the side length is given. So this side is given 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. So what will be the area of square A? Because all sides are equal, length times 8, so 8 times 8. So this should be 64 and the unit will be centimeter square or square centimeter. So this will be 64 centimeter square. Now this side B is given 6 centimeter. So how we find the area of the square? Square it. Square of 6. So this should be 36 centimeter square. So this will be 36 centimeter square. Similarly, this is given 10 centimeter. So how we find the area? Square it. Square of 10 is 100. So you get 100 centimeter square. So this will be 100 centimeter square. Because this is a right angle triangle, area of this plus area of this should be equal to the area of the square connected with the longest side. So 64 plus 36 is 100. So this way we can use Pythagorean's relationship to find unknown length or to find the area of the square connected with each side. Thank you very much for watching my video.